Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barka Zarif and this channel is all about beauty, makeup, skincare and much more. Finally, we are on the last episode of the series called Basics of Makeup. For this episode, we are going to cover how and where we should apply our blush and highlighter. Also, there is a fun giveaway announcement within the video, so make sure you watch this video till the end. Before starting, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. This way you will really help me a lot. Now before any further more talking, let's begin with this video. Now let's bring some color back to our face, and for that I'll use a blush. So the first step that you need to do is locate the area where you have to apply your blush. And again, you just need a brush or a pen or a pencil for that. And again, what you have to do is place your brush on your cheeks and find the highest point of your face. Now as you saw, this is the highest point of our face and this is where we need to apply our blush. And as we left 2-finger gap for our contour, we also need to leave 2-finger gaps for our blush. Now again, choosing a blush color depends on what you like. If you like a pink flushy blush, go for a pink blush, and if you like a peach soft kind of a look, go for a peach blush. Use a fluffy brush in order to apply your blush. And now place it with a very light hand and start blending it into circular motions. And if you like, you can apply a little bit of leftover brush on your nose as well so that it looks natural. So with that, we're done with blush and now let's move on to highlighter. So as the name suggests, highlighter, we need to apply this on the areas which are going to be hit by the light naturally, and that would be your cheekbones right over here, which you can feel with your fingers, your brow bone, bridge of the nose and cupid's bow. Now while choosing a highlighter, if you're going for a very natural finish, don't choose a highlighter which has a lot of chunky glitter particles. Now in order to apply a highlighter, you need a fluffy brush. Now please ignore the halat of this brush, it's used and loved and how. Now pick your highlighter and make sure to use a very light hand to apply your highlighter. Blend it nicely and it should not look like a stark line. Now a pro tip here, if you want your highlighter to be more beaming, go with your setting spray and spray a very little on your brush and then apply your highlighter with that. Now I'm quickly gonna set all this makeup in with a setting spray, and a setting spray is important if you want your makeup to last for a longer period of time. Now a setting spray will also take away all the excess powder from your face and your makeup will look more natural and blended. Now again, there are a lot of setting spray available in market, so I'll make sure to link some of my favorite in the description box below according to different skin type. Now the very fun part, which is the giveaway. So if you're watching this series from the very beginning, you know I have given a pro tip in each episode. So all you need to do is write down all the pro tips, make a list of it and send it to me over my Instagram. You can also share a screenshot of the portion where you find pro tip written over here. And also you need to be a subscriber to my channel, and that way you can enter the giveaway. More information about this giveaway will be in my description box below and also on my Instagram, so go ahead and check it out. Now in order to complete this makeup look, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lipstick. Now there is not a lot on how to apply lipstick, you can just apply it as you do. Just make sure if you're going with a very dark lipstick, line your lips with a lip liner first, that way you will not mess up a lot with your lipstick. So that brings us to the end of this series. I really hope you enjoyed watching these episodes as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And thank you to each and every one of you who take out time to watch my videos, like my videos and comment under my videos. It really means a lot to me. Do let me know your thoughts on this video, and also if there is any other video requests, do let me know in the comment section below. Go follow me on Instagram and check out more details on the giveaway, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye!